Hi, good morning, everyone. Today, I want to talk something that is important for all of us becoming fluent and confident in English speaking. First of all, I admire each one of you for your dedication to learning English. Now, you might be thinking speaking English is not a piece of cake. Yes, it may not be your cup of tea at the beginning. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Even native speakers make mistakes. So, don't feel blue if you struggle at first. Sometimes we hesitate to speak because we are afraid of making mistake. But do you know the best way to improve? Bite the bullet and start speaking no matter how imperfectly. Confidence comes with practice. You know, fluency also requires consistency. Out of the blue, you are speaking more natural than before. That's the beauty of learning. So don't be forget, speak as much as you can, listen to English every day and never stop learning. One day you will feel as easy as a piece of. Okay, have you ever felt a butterfly in your stomach when trying to speak English? Yes, trust me, you are not alone. Fluency is not just about knowing a lot of words, it's about expressing your thoughts vividly and naturally. Many people hesitate because they fear making mistake. Let me tell you a secret. Mistakes are proof that you are learning. Lastly, if you want to speak English fluently and confidently, you must develop a sophisticated approach. You know, the more you practice, the better you become. So step forward and speak with confidence.